Hey guys, this is TechnoGenuine. Event Blast shared a picture of what is supposed to be an official Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus devices. However, I believe that it may be an active variant, but we'll see what is going to come up on Feb 25th. Now looking to it closely, you find new wallpaper. However, the clock time light is a bit blurred, which makes me a bit doubt whether this is a real deal. However, if you haven't checked out my post on Community tab, I shared a video showing you a hands-on of Galaxy S9. Looking at the back of Galaxy S9, you find that the fingerprint placement has finally been placed below the camera, which makes it convenient, perfect, and less confusion when you try to unlock your right or left hand. Samsung will be focusing on camera with super speed dual pixel, as they call it, which gives you an ability to switch between two aperture of 1.5 or 2.4. And they're gonna also add up a 1000 frame rates per second slow motion when you take a video, and special effects that blurs the background or turns into bokeh as shown on their teaser video for Galaxy S9. The release date is going to be on Feb 25th. The video link is going to be on the description below for the live stream, either from the official Samsung site, otherwise from my channel itself. Anyways guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you want to see more updates like this, and peace out.